guys, it's actually snowing. Can you see that? It's snowing. We're in the month of May, not March, May, and it is snowing. And tomorrow's going to be even colder, and tonight it's going to drop to 6 degrees. It's crazy. This weather is crazy. Okay guys, the weather is getting nicer, and it's decent today, so we're gonna go out and enjoy taking a drive and going to check out nature and do some exploring. Well, it's hard to tell that last night we had 3 degrees. Today we're going to have 17, and people are out walking about in the trails, so we have to keep our distance because it's social distancing. There's a lot of people out here. I wanted to come and do some foraging, but I don't know, it's going to be hard. Okay, let's go guys. I'm going to check out a bit of the forest here. The mosquitoes aren't out yet full force. I did see a few, but yeah. I'm trying to pick the trails where there's nobody out here. And so there was a warning on the board about the ticks. So I have to be careful, and they say stay in the trails. Right now I'm not equipped to deal with ticks. I don't have my pants into my socks or any equipment to deal with that, so we're gonna just stay on the trails today. Look at these amazing trees. Wow. It actually feels nice to be out today and enjoy nature and listen to the birds. We weren't so close to the road. We're hearing the cars. The sun is peeking through the trees. So nice to meet up with the parents that are walking their kids in the bush here. Kids definitely need to experience nature and not be stuck in the house playing games or being on their phone. It's nice all around here. That out. I wish I could see some mushrooms. I will share with you guys some mushrooms that I found the other day. And unfortunately, they were past the time for picking. I was told that they taste like cucumber. You fry them in the frying pan. But don't seem like we're going to be in luck today. I was hoping to also get some pine pollen. It's kind of high. These trees are kind of high. And there's not too many other trees here other than them, because it's a forest that was planted. So well, there's one pine there, but too small. There's a few there too. White pines are too small. And we need to also have some maples for have some flowers blooming here. I think this is honeysuckle. I will post the picture, the name